What's up you guys? It's your boy and I'm back for another video. So guys, i-share ko lang sa inyo yung thoughts ko this evening, no? So kahit kakagising ko lang. But anyways, alam nyo guys, na-realize ko lang, no? If there are moments where you're arguing with your family members and you're having a hard time to process things and you feel like, bakit yung family member ko mas mabait sa ibang tao, sa hindi namin kapamilya, tapos masyadong harsh sa kapamilya or sa'yo, I feel like I now understand and realize na it's what we call entitlement. It is because since they knew na you are a family, you will be more understanding. They will have the sense of comfortability na maging honest sa feeling nila in comparison to other people. So it doesn't mean naman na they're mean sa'yo, they don't care. It only means na if they are hard towards a certain situation sa'yo, ibig sabihin, they care about you as well. Not unlike, di ba, sa ibang tao kapag sinasabi natin na, example, may kailangan ilipat na bagay sa tapat ng bahay ninyo, tapos, ibang tao yung nag-offer na, ilipat na namin to para sa'yo, tapos mahihiya ka na, wag na po, ako na lang po ang maglilipat. Pero kapag ang family member mo, ang naglagay ng something sa tapat ng bahay mo tapos hindi inilipat, masyado kang galit. Kasi nga, imbis na, alam mo yun, kumbaga parang masyado silang nagagalit kasi hindi ka nakasense na kailangan to ilipat para sa mga darating na bisita or sa mga tatapat sa bahay ninyo. Kumbaga parang ang analogy ko lang dito is that minsan, may mga traits tayo sa ibang tao na we just want to get along easily and in a good way because yung sense of comfortability is not there and we don't really care towards that person that much. It's not in a bad way, but that's the really, that's the truth. Wala talaga tayong ganong sense of parang familiarity and care doon sa tao naman yun. It doesn't mean we hate them, pero ganun lang talaga when it comes to, relationship status sa buhay mo. Iba ang family, iba ang friends, iba ang workmates, iba rin naman ang strangers. That's why you wanna make situation easier na lang rather than to make it a huge thing. Not unlike sa family, kapag may mga pagkakamali tayo, dinadissect, dinidiscuss because we care about each other. Sometimes it feels unfair, pero I believe that's just how things should be or ganun lang talaga ang norm. Pero siguro ang pinaka-importante dito is that we need to normalize and be open about our thoughts sa family members natin, no? Pero siguro ang bottom line of the situation dito is, hindi ko lang sure kung maganda yung example ko kanina, no? Pero siguro ang bottom line lang dito is, be open when it comes to really how you feel. And if a family member is absurd, reacting in a certain way, be open and talk it right away. Kasi mahirap yung may kinikim-kim ka din sa sarili mo. And also, I realize na kapag if we can be nice towards other people, we should always be nicer sa family members because those family members will always be the one to be with you in, most of the instances of your life. So, yun lang.